back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be bringing you a video just to show you how to do a really quick and cute side part. I don't know why I've started to talk in my videos again. I just felt like that was kind of missing from my channel, like just really connecting with you in the moment type of thing. So yeah, nevertheless, we're going to get started. All the details to this unit will be listed down in my description box below, so definitely make sure to check that out. This is a completely glueless unit that I pretty much just have on with an elastic band. You guys can see it can come on, it can come off. If you guys have missed how to properly install those types of units and things like that, I have about 4 videos on my channel now, and they're pretty recent. So if you are not already subscribed, now is a good time to go ahead and do that, and let's get started. So I'm gonna be doing a side part. I did kind of lightly layer up this hair already. I definitely trimmed it down from like a 20, maybe like a 24, 22 type of inch up until maybe about an 18. So I'm really excited about that. I did do some light layers here, as you guys can see, just dropping a little bit below my chin, nothing crazy, but I'm gonna go ahead and start the side part. So for this, I do have some light little curls in the unit already. I'm gonna be taking my FHI flat iron. I got this from TJ Maxx probably about 2 years ago for about maybe like $60, maybe, I think. Did I get this from TJ Maxx? No, that was my blow dryer that I got from TJ Maxx. Scratch that. Disregard. Look on Amazon or just search Google. I'm sure that you can find it for maybe about $79. And I've had it for a while, so it's definitely worth it. And then I'm also going, sorry, I'm plugging this in real quick. Then I'm also going to be using my hot comb. You guys know this is my best friend when it comes to my frontals. Really easy to just lay down your units very flawlessly. You don't have to do much to it. And then for my flat iron, I'm going to go ahead and cut this on. Let's see, it goes up to 450. I think that's a little bit excessive. I'm going to go ahead and do about 350 for heat. It literally takes like maybe 10 seconds to heat up. Nothing crazy at all. Alright, so the knots on this unit they are already bleached. The unit is already pre-plucked. And I'm just gonna part this over to the side. Y'all, this lace on the unit is so freaking transparent. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna be doing this deep little side part. I've been encouraged to do this through watching Love and Hip Hop. Like, April really got me going. I don't know if you guys watch, I call it ratchet TV, but whenever I'm in the mood to watch a little ghetto, little ratchet stuff, you know, I do. And April, her hair looks really, really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this little side part action going. So I'm literally just trying to find the part, and then I'm gonna kind of mold it over. Let me see how deep. I'm guessing I should go. So once you found your part, you can actually go ahead and just clip this over. Alright, so I got this clipped over, even though it's not going to be for very long lived, but just waiting for this to heat up. I think it's pretty hot. And I'm just going to go directly in where I want that part area to start and just begin to lay the hair over. Get rid of these flyaways is my Cara wax stick. I've had this for quite some time, so I just got back in the groove of using it, and I'm gonna go ahead and just literally apply this to the tops of my hair. And you don't really need much. A little goes a long way. And then of course, if you want to go ahead and just redefine that part, you can. So I've been trying to stay away from the mousse, but I think in this case I will need it. Let me see. So I'm only going to use a teeny tiny bit of the olive oil mousse just in this little like part area, just to make sure that everything is completely separated and laying down, baby. The lace is simply just going to have too many hairs in one area. This is a problem on this unit right here, so I'm just going to go ahead and kind of pull those out very lightly. You don't want to do such a defined part, just because of course once it's time to kind of flip it over, you don't want it to be like stuck in that state, but you can definitely pull out a couple hairs. like this little hump here. If you guys are cool with that and you want it to kind of be up, that's fine, but I want to lay this down just a little bit more. So just really cut through the bulk of the hair. Get you a good little straightening comb and make sure it's as hot as you can bear. And it will just literally smooth the hair right over. Alright, so the hard part is done. Literally just brushing out the old curls that I had. Just a nice little loose wave. You can actually get these with flexi rods if you want, but I did like physically curl all the hair. If you guys need a tutorial on how to do that, I have plenty. To show you just how to lightly curl your hair with a flat iron. That's not a big deal at all. And then, let's see. I think we're pretty much set. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little bit more to the bang area. Just to kind of give it that little like, boom. But other than that, we're set. And I'm literally just curling the area that has like the little cut bang already going. Good, so I'm not going to do very much more to the hair. Literally, I just wanted to pop this on. Got me a nice little side part. And that's pretty much it for this look. Just a really quick side part. Sorry about the lighting change, like the sun's like going up and down. And outside of that, we are ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babies.